Hello, in this session I'm going to work problem 9.08 in the chapter on replacement analysis and economic service life. This particular problem deals mostly with economic service life. The problem itself, as it was in the textbook, only had part A to it. I added part B because I wanted to give a little more information on economic service life, which is the number of years to keep an asset to minimize your annual cost or to maximize your annual revenue. Usually it's a cost thing. So we'll look at both parts. First, we'll start with part A. A project engineer, you received annual worth analysis below from the finance department. It is for a new piece of equipment you ordered some months ago. You were told that the interest rate was 10% per year, but no first cost or projected salvage values were provided, and you want to know them. So part A is determine the initial cost, the values of P, and the salvage value S, using the annual worth values for year 3. So we could have used any one of the annual worth rows, so to speak, year 1, 2, 3, but the question asks for year 3, so that's what we'll work. So it says the annual worth of the first cost, if you keep it 3 years, is $18,899. So the annual worth for 3 years, or 10% and 3 years of the first cost would be equal to P times A given P, 10%, 3 years, and that's given as 18,899. Actually, it's a negative number, so we'll put the negative there. So that means that the P, if we solve for P is equal to minus 18,899 divided by this P given A, 10% for 3 years, and that turns out to be 0.42115. So when we divide by that, we will get the value of P, which is minus $46,999. This number here I got from the Engineering Economics Career app, and the author took the number from the table, so he got $47,000 even. So the next thing we'll do is the annual worth of the salvage value. This is actually annual worth of P, so annual worth of S at 10% for 3 years would be equal to S times A given F. You see, because S occurs at year 3, 10%, 3 years, which is equal to, and this is a plus, 6648. So if we solve this equation for S, we get S equals 6648 divided by A given F, 10% for 3 years, and that number turns out to be 0.302115. By the way, I left out a 0 right here. This is, well, let me redo this. This is 0.402115. Okay. And when you do that division, you will get a plus $22,005. So that's the salvage value for this asset. I added a part B, which was to find the economic service life. The economic service life is the number of years to minimize annual worth or maximize annual value. And so I'm going to sum these columns to get the total annual worth. And so if I add these two to get a minus 66,700 and then subtract 35,000, I get minus 30,281. How does that's not right. 31,000, I'm sorry. 31,700 minus 31,700. Similarly, if I add 27,091 to 17, that's going to give me 44,091, and then I subtract 13,810, and I will get minus 30,281. So that's less than that. So that could be the economic life, but maybe these numbers continue to decrease. So let's see what happens. So I add the minus 18,899 to minus 19 is going to give me minus 37,899, and then I add 6,648 to that, and I get minus 31,251. So this has started to go back up now, and that usually tells me that's the economic life, but I'm not going to take the chance. I'm going to calculate all four of them. I'll have 21,000 plus 14,000 gives me 30,827. When I add these two, subtract 4,309, and I get 31,518. And that is going up again. And then finally, if I add 12,398 to 23,000, I get 35,398. Subtract 2,000 for 57, and I get minus 32,941 if I did my math right. But this is the least annual cost, and so this is the economic service life equals 2 years. And if I had asked for the annual worth of at 2 years, then it would have been this number here, 30,281. So that takes care of today's assignment. Thank you.